In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Google Analytics. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting out, modifying views in Google Analytics is essential for gaining insights tailored specifically to your needs. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your analytics experience. First, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section, which you can find in the left-hand menu of your Google Analytics dashboard. This section is your gateway to all the data stories waiting to be explored and interpreted. Once you're in there, you'll see a variety of pre-configured reports. For today's example, let's choose a report we'd like to customize. A common choice might be the Events report, located under the Engagement section. This area gives you a snapshot of how users are interacting with your website or application, which is crucial for understanding your audience's behavior. After selecting your desired report, it's time to enter Customization mode. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll notice a pencil icon. Clicking this icon will enable you to modify the report to better suit your needs. You might wonder why we need a customization mode. Well, every company or individual might have different metrics or points of interest, and by customizing, you focus only on what's relevant to you. Inside customization mode, one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is the ability to add filters. This feature allows you to hone in on specific data points by including or excluding data based on dimensions that matter most to you. Consider dimensions like country or device category. These can dramatically refine your insights. For example, if you're particularly interested in understanding how your website performs in particular regions, setting a filter on country can provide a filtered view of only that geographic area's data. Once you've decided on what filters make the most sense for your needs, simply apply them. This step tailors the report to the segment you're most interested in analyzing. Applying filters not only refines what you see, but also helps you dive deeper into specific trends and metrics that drive your business decisions. And there you have it. You've created a customized view in Google Analytics. By navigating to Reports, selecting the relevant report, entering customization mode through the pencil icon, and applying a filter, you've tailored the Analytics dashboard to better meet your objectives. Remember, data is only as valuable as your ability to interpret and act on it. With your new skills in creating and customizing views, you're well on your way to making more informed, strategic decisions with the insights you'll glean. Thank you for following along, and happy analyzing.